What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Welcome to Spy Weekly. Today is 22nd September 2024, Sunday, local time 8:36 p.m. I am on daily charts here with Spy. I will be analyzing Spy for this coming week. If you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. You can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. This is my X account where I do post trades. Yeah, that's me. All right, let's start the analysis really quick. Black line is EMA 20, red line is EMA 50. So what I will be doing today is, first of all, if you're listening to me for the very first time, I am a demand and supply trader, price action trader, and I do not believe in trading indicators because indicators are lagging. Anyways, I use them as add-ons. Okay. Now I will discuss the price action. I will try to find the trades if there are any. And if price action is suggesting us to trade, we will trade. Otherwise, we need for price to form new candles, new data, then we can trade. Because this is what you can rely on. Because don't rely on nobody, just rely on the data. Because heavy money is involved here. This is pure business. Let's start. So if you try to understand this, we are on daily charts. Okay, so when this fall came, it was a reaction for this is a this is not a proper supply zone, but it is good enough to kill your option money. Consolidation, boom, it comes here in this demand zone and then it starts going up. While going up, look at this candle on Monday, September 9th, September 6th, Friday. This was a proper drop of $9.25. I'm reading the data here, it's coming up here. So now it comes here, okay, and pokes through the demand zone and then it starts going up. Now what is happening here is, on Monday, gaps up, price gaps up, candle gaps up, and then they are, market is confused. These small candles actually are telling you that market is confused, and the next day it gaps up again, and again market is confused. Now this is a supply zone which I told you I want it to break. If you go and listen to other recordings, other analysis for like last 2 weeks, you will understand that I clearly said I want price to break this. Okay, now it came down here, gapped up, confused, gapped up, confused. Again, this is, it opened here, and when it opened here and when it came down here, it was a red candle for the daily session, and then it started going up and finally it closed here, almost above this supply zone. Okay, now the whole point here is, a lot of people must have lost money when this red candle was being formed, because a lot of people are doing spy options without any knowledge. Okay, they must have lost a lot of money. Anyways, now what is happening here is, see, this candle is telling you that price made a low. If you look here at the data, price made a low of 539.44, and then after making this low, price goes to all-time high. And I clearly said it can go all-time high. You can listen to recordings, like everything is time stamped, date stamped. You can go and check the recordings. Now the whole point here is, buyers, there is a rally here. We have made all-time high from the low of 539 from this candle, because the price came into this demand zone and buying pending order started getting triggered, and then you do see a rally. But this rally, whatever you see here, is a very, 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 very poor rally. This is actually called distribution of buying. Because if you look here, market is confused. If you look here, market is confused. If you look here, market is confused, because small candles are being formed. Okay, if you look at this red candle, market is not confused. But why then do we see a rally here, like price going up here? It's not a rally. Like rally has happened, but not a proper rally, because this is distribution. Logically, buyers are divided. By distribution of buying, I mean buyers are divided. Why did, after this red candle, price started going up? Because of this demand zone. Okay, so buying pending orders were being picked up and then it started going up, but these buyers were not strong enough to make a pure green candle, like a clear cut green candle. But then these candles are actually formed. So these are not your option levels. I was trading SPY. I have shared all the screenshots as well. The point here is not to prove that, okay, I did a trade. I don't really care about that. I'm just trying to teach you here. That is why I do have a full fledged course where I teach price action. I'm not going to discuss about that here, because the priority is to discuss SPY weekly here. Okay, now the point is that anybody can find a demand or supply and trade it, but you can, there are ways which demand is pure, which demand is to be traded, which demand is not to be traded, and price action tells you that. Okay, because this is the most important information that you see here. This is all the data that you see here. Okay, you cannot avoid these candles. Like if you're trading an instrument, whether it be Bitcoin, whether it be SPY, whether it be any market in the world, you cannot avoid the data here. Now there is distribution of buying, and this reaction is actually from this demand. Okay, now this, and now I'm going to turn on the drawings and I'm going to show you. First, let me discuss this. You do see a rally here, but I'm telling you buyers are divided. Perfect. Now gap, buyers are confused here on this candle. Buyers are confused here as well. This candles, look at the bottom on 11 September, it opens up, goes down, and it was red, and then it started going up. So basically you do see a low of 539 at this candle, but and after that you do see a rally here, all time high, but actually the buying came from this wick. You see this was a red candle on 11 September, but then this red candle was turned into, pushed into green candle, and then you do see some sort of buying, very very poor buying. But this wick is actually responsible. Whosoever is sitting in this wick is responsible for taking the price to all time high. If this guy was responsible, then why did price came down here on 11 September? So this is the person, that is responsible, for taking the price to all time high. Otherwise this candle would have continued to go down, but somebody stepped in here, started making positions, and started pushing the price up all time high. This is how candles are telling you, data is telling you that, okay, where is the potential buying. I'm not saying it is the best buying level, no, but I'm telling you, where is the trade? Trade is hidden somewhere here. I'll turn on the drawings and then you will understand a better picture. Now, when you're trading all this, you need to figure out how to find the trend, how to trade a quality demand, if prices, whether the price is coming from a quality supply or not. Because if prices hit a quality supply, that means selling orders are getting triggered. Now, if selling logically, if there is no supply here, price is all time high. But imagine fresh selling comes in, okay, and then selling orders are getting triggered. Now you're trying to trade this. Trend is, I'm just assuming the trend is also down while coming here. It won't be down, but I'm assuming the trend is down. Assume. And selling orders are more than buying orders, then this demand, poor demand, will get broken. What's It's all logical. Everything will depend on, see, a demand zone will only work if there are more buying pending orders than the selling that is coming against it. Logical. How will you track that? That is why there is a course for it, where we do in-depth analysis, live price action, and whatever you are currently looking at, whether it be Meta, whether it be Tesla is going to do 280, 290. Okay, I'm telling you on records. Now whatever you are watching here with Apple, the consolidation which started actually from 168 in Apple, it has already been discussed in the batches. Okay, we are not surprised. Now I'm going to turn on the drawing and I'm going to show you here. I'm going to show you one more target, which is right here, 600 plus. Okay, but will price go right away? No. Now the whole point here is, where is the trade? See, currently this orange box is a very very poor level, very very poor level. If it breaches, price will come here. But will it come here right away? No, it doesn't. Market, I'm again telling you, market moves faster in your mind than in reality. Okay, it's gonna waste a lot of money, and then ultimately, if it comes here, you will be scared when price will be coming here. And I'm not saying, I'm telling you, this is not a great level, very poor level. Okay, this is what you should trade. Again, when you're trading this, let price come in here, we'll see what is the selling pressure, how are buyers reacting, we'll come to know how is the trend. But right now, this level, if you're asking me, will I trade this? No. I should see, point one is poor level, but if you want to trade here, put a stop loss here, trade it. So if you are trading this box, say 544, okay, your stop loss would be around 538. Your stop loss is not changing. Don't keep on pushing your stop loss here, because most of your trading options you will get stuck. Whether you enter at 545, whether you enter at 542, stop loss will be 538 for this trade. Simple as that. Now I'm not gonna tell you, I cannot suggest you that, can I just put a limit order here and leave the screen? No. Everything will depend on what kind of selling pressure are we facing when price is coming here. How are other stocks behaving? Because SPY is a blend of tech, heavily a blend of tech stocks. Apple needs to break out, Nvidia needs to go up, Tesla needs to go up. So the whole point here is, and we have room. I know that very well. We have room that we can still hold 571. Not a big deal. Don't be surprised. I don't believe in gap ups and gap downs. If you are doing that, you have the wrong approach because you're guessing. Market doesn't, any business doesn't work on guesswork. Okay. There you need to understand this is the data. If it falls, this can hold, it can hold. Okay. But if it reacts from here, that means fresh buying is coming in. We'll come to know this level, this box is important. I'm telling you right away. Why? I cannot answer that in a 15-minute video right here, but this level is important. If it breaks, you will slowly see price coming here, and don't be surprised. This is a level which you can trade openly. I'm telling you, 534s. And but again, we can see fresh buying because Apple needs to break out. Okay, Nvidia needs to break out. They need to go up, but we'll see how it reacts. But if it breaks this, it is coming here. Okay, it's not gonna come here. It can come, it's not gonna come here tomorrow. It will see. This is the beauty of price action. We need to, now what should we do? We should wait for further price action, simple as that. Because I have tested 1 hour levels, 2 hour level, 3 4, whatever you see, I've tested everything. N- can you see? The only buying that I see is right here. People who know price action, they can understand the only buying is right here. Other than that, it's all crap. Okay, they will hold, they will play with your mind. These levels, like whatever buying, it's not gonna. I'm not expecting a free fall, but they will play institutions love to play with your mind. They trap you that it's gonna go up and then it's gonna fall. So if you're in doubt, like if you're confused, do not trade it. I'm not trading SPY, I'm not touching SPY, nothing before here, I know. And then these are the levels. But again, trend, I'm again and again telling you, trend will play a very major role. Okay, now you should wait for further price action, simple as that. And if anybody is telling you to do that, you should blame nobody, because you are the one who's taking the call. Now, how will 600 come? 600 will only come once price. There is a lot of momentum here. Price needs to retrace slowly, come here, and then go up. This is how price goes. Go and check Meta. 560 was given when it was trading around 498, 500, or 510, somewhere there. You can check it. Now, uh, Tesla, let's just spy. There is no trade. Wait for further price action. Tesla needs to break up, but I do see targets around 245, and then it can retrace back and then go up. We'll see how it goes. But 280 will definitely come. I do not believe in trading news. I don't care about robo taxi, because if you know that news is coming out, everybody, institutions are not fool. Okay, don't consider them that they are fools, or you're smarter than them, smarter than the institutions, or smart money. Anyways, I don't trade news. I'm clearly telling you, I have four screens, and I'm looking at every single screen right here. There is room for SPY to go up, but there is no trade. There is room for SPY to go up, but there is no trade which I see. Okay, so I am leaving SPY for further price action, and we'll discuss the price action of Tesla very very soon, probably like tomorrow. From the very bottom, I will try to try to break everything down, where it started the rally from 150. Okay, I'll try to explain you everything. So this is pretty much it. And if you did like the analysis, don't forget to follow the Chartist. That is me. All right. You can follow me here on TradingView. By the way, TradingView has banned me for almost a month because of, I've explained that on X, anyways. So you can follow me here on TradingView, and then you can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. Don't forget to press the bell icon on YouTube. That's me. You can follow me here as well, where I will be posting trades for, definitely for Tesla, because I know what Tesla is trying to do. Anyways, have a wonderful night. We'll see you live tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.